Adrian. Adrian, you're an old man today. You're an old man. Cross-eye boy. Cross-eye boy. That's a little cross-eye boy. That's a little cross-eye boy. Adrian's old today. 3 weeks. Woo! 3 weeks old. Yeah. Yeah, he's getting old. He needs a little walker. What's your favorite thing to do these days, kid? Punch mama? Yeah? Play with your tongue? That's a favorite. He likes to play with his tongue. And what else? Pooping's not always great. He hates gas. And he hates the hiccups. No hiccups! He's gonna go on strike. No more hiccups. Yeah. What else? Being cute. Being, oh, so cute. See, this is his pajamas. His sleep sack. I love you. I love you.